What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Barry. Today I'm going to be doing exactly what the title says. I'm going to be replacing these paddle shifters, this one and this one, because there's two, right? So today I'm going to replace it with these nice looking carbon fiber ones. These are pretty cool. I like them. Good shape. I think it'll look good. Yeah. Let's see, little. So I do notice that this one is a lot more skinnier. I would say skinnier, so it's more in. But we'll see how that works out. First, start the car. All right. Car started, and let's work with the minus one, the downshift one first. Turn the wheel this way, and then just turn that off because it's be loud. But what I found most effective is you're gonna use the Lexus screwdriver, because I always say the Lexus screwdriver takes apart the entire car. So by doing this, now I'm gonna take a knee. Seriously, you're gonna want to take a knee or switch knees, and it'll give you easy access to this right here. It's two cross tip screws with a screw here and a screw there. You're gonna just access from underneath, lefty loosey. Okay, it's working for me. And another one. This should ideally be easier for you because you will have two hands versus one like me, because I'm filming. That one's out. And this one should be out. Alright, screws are coming out. Now, this is what you want to be careful with. You don't want to just pull on this thing. You want to be careful because of this blue tab right there. This blue tab, you want to be very careful. Alright, just kind of wiggle it. Wiggle it out this way first. Alright, you saw what I did. And then you just disconnect this. Just like that. So just know that blue is the indication of downshift. So blue is what we want to put back in. Just a comparison right here. This is what I meant about it being skinny. So let's see what happens. I think this was best for people with long fingers. To begin this process of putting it back, we're going to want to plug this in first, simply because it will be much harder if you don't do it now. Alright, now that we got that plugged in, let's finesse this thing in. Oh, just like that. And let's put the screws back in. One of the hardest part about this DIY is trying to film it for you guys, but I'm sure you guys don't need to see me put screws in. But anyways, I still got the screw in. So I got this one, and you got this one. Okay, so far so good. It's not moving. It shifts. All right, let's spin this wheel around. I'm gonna start the car. Bring it back to the front. Oh, look at that. Not bad. And put the upshift down there. Kind of annoying. All right, no more noise. Got my screwdriver. Let's go for it again. Same process, just the two Phillips. So, yeah, just remove those two. Alright, got one screw. Let's go for the second one. Come on. And that just came out. Now we gotta get the yellow tab. Alright, so I'm gonna go just slowly, carefully, just up, and there we go. Okay, got it out. Now let's put the other one in. All right, let's put the other one back in, or this one in. Okay, I have it seated in here, and I noticed it's easier to put this back in when it's seated. Okay, now that's in, and I'm going to make sure it fits. It shouldn't be moving like that, okay? And then put the 2 screws in. Just like the other one, I did the screws first before I started recording because, for one, it's really hard to do it with the camera. But all this needs to be is really hand tightened. See how much torque my fingers can give. But like I said, I will promise you that this is not that hard to install. All right, let's see how it works. Got the old ones here, but you know what? I'm gonna keep it. You should always keep your OEM stuff, and I'm gonna keep packaged and safe. All right, somewhere safe. Let's go. All right, and let's start it. Oh, wow. Okay, no movement. Oh, there we go. All right, and let's go for our test drive to make sure these things work. I think one important thing is to make sure that the paddles work, so I'm just gonna go for a drive. Oh, and there's a car coming. Got a manual, it's shifting. Okay, that works. Downshift. Nice. Upshift. Okay. Everything seems to be working fine. This is good. Everything is working just like it was before. Only now is new paddle shifters. Only comment about these paddle shifters for myself personally is my fingers are kind of short. I think, in my opinion, my fingers are short, so these are more narrower. So it's kind of hard to, if you can see, it's hard to really. I have to really extend my hand out to. So I'm barely touching it, So I don't think it's really too good for racing or like track racing, you know. So I don't know. Maybe I'll take these off, put it back on the other ones, or maybe I'll get some new ones. But they work. I think the ones I have here are aesthetically pleasing, but performance-wise, no. Because I don't know about reaching all the way in there. That's kind of eh. I'm barely touching it with my fingertips. But hey, they look good. Alright guys, I think that's me that's gonna wrap up this video. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. But I will say again, the paddle shifter install, very easy. Promise you it's very easy. But these ones, very narrow, small, as you saw in the comparison. But hey, they look good. Like I keep saying, they look good. So but anyways guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.